Hi, I'm Justin with Jeff Cook Real Estate. You know, living in the Southeast, we don't see incredibly chilly winters, but it's important to know how to take care of your home when those frigid days do head our way. By making sure your home is prepped and ready for those cold fronts ahead, you can maintain the value of your home, and you can also eliminate costly repairs in the future. Here's some tips to prep your home inside and out. Keep your lawn looking vibrant and healthy by raking your leaves and fertilizing consistently. Now, these practices are going to help that green grass bounce back in the springtime. Take the time once a year to clean out your gutters and visually inspect your roof for damaged shingles, flashing, or vents. Be sure to turn off any outdoor plumbing to protect those from freezing weather as well. Now, inside your home, prepare your HVAC system for winter duty. Consider getting it professionally inspected before the cold weather comes through and replace those filters to avoid any mishaps. Inspect your windows and doors to ensure that the warm air stays in and the cold air stays out here. Now, for those colder and darker winter months, you're going to want to lighten up your home wherever you can. To accentuate that natural light, clean your windows and blinds, especially in rooms that get a lot of sunlight. Finish off with a home safety check and replace the batteries in your smoke alarms and carbon monoxide monitors. Now, a great way to remember when to change these batteries is when you change your clocks for daylight savings time. So are you thinking of listing your home this year? If so, just give us a call, 855-HEY-JEFF, or visit the website, jeffcookrealestate.com. If you love these tips and you want to see what we have coming next, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates.